Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can actually link Excel to Microsoft Word. The first thing we want to do is click on a blank one. All right, so we're going to put some data inside here, and then we're going to link it to Microsoft Word. All right, the first thing we want to put some random number here. Put some random number here. All right, then we're going to show you exactly how this data works right here in this Excel sheet here. All right, you can use the arrow key to go across. You can use the up arrow to do that. You can use the left arrow. It's the same as the right arrow. Right, you can go down, go across, up. And if you notice, I'm actually putting in some numbers right here. If you notice right here, put more right here. Alright, so now putting it's right here. What we wanted to do, definitely no. We want to actually link this to the Microsoft Word. So the first thing we want to do is click right here. Hold on the left side of the mouse side touchpad, we're going to block everything right here. When you block everything, you're going to right click, going to click on copy. Notice you see this little line coming around, you're going to actually go down here, bring up the Microsoft Word, you're going to click a blank document right here. You notice you're not going to paste it, you're going to click. Right, let me go back here. You're going to click right here on the home. You notice this is the word paste here, you're going to click. You notice this is paste special, you're going to click on paste special. Then you're going to bring up this particular dialog box. But if you notice this dialog box can actually move. Alright, if you notice this is a paste, that's a paste link. Result, okay, cancel. I want to click up here to this Excel sheet object. Right there. And then I want to click on this link. Then I want to click on OK. Right here. And if you notice, right here, you notice it's appearing in my sheet right here. Right, so I want to save this. Right, so I'm going to save this here, save as. I want to save it as my work. Then I want to ensure that it's actually saved on the desktop right here. Then I'm going to click on save. Right, good. And then I'm going to close this. Right here, notice your Excel sheet. This is it on the desktop. So we're going to the Excel sheet. All right, so we're going to press escape if you get this. Right. Now we're going to add some more data on this table here. We're going to see what happened on the Microsoft Word. Right, we're going to put more data here. And then the bottom right here. Good. So notice I add more data down the bottom here. So I'm going to minimize, I'm going to open the Microsoft Word, I'm going to right click on the Microsoft Word, press open. If you notice, you said this document contains a link that may refer to other files. Do you want to update the document, the data? I'm going to say yes. Alright, if you notice, alright, good. So I'm going to close it back. Then I'm going to bring up my Excel. I'm going to block Excel like that. I'm going to come up here to conditional format. Notice right here, you notice that like that. Right, you're going to look at some of these icons right here. Notice you give it a tick, like that flag. And that, so click on that. Now we're going to minimize this. Now we're going to open the Microsoft Word right here. And open the Microsoft Word. Notice you're going to show the same thing. I'm going to click it right here. If you notice, everything changed inside here. Right, you notice it actually changed. Right, very important. Notice change. Right, so we're going to close it again. When you go back to the Excel sheet again. Right, so we're going to add one system over here. Right. Right, good. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open back this again. Right. I'm going to bring me back to the same stuff. Right. And if you notice, it add the extra one here. Right, so very important. So hope you have learned something from this video here, and thanks for watching.